Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Put the HoloLens 2 on with the Halo headband sitting high on your forehead. Rotate the knob at the rear until the device feels snug but comfortable. Flip the visor down and adjust for clear focus using the focus dial. Power on by pressing the side button and connect to Wi-Fi and your account for app access. Charge with USB-C for about 2 hours to reach a full battery. Expect 2 to 3 hours of active mixed reality use per charge. The headset weighs 566 grams and has a 52-degree diagonal field of view. Use natural hand tracking to interact. Start by opening your palm and centering. Pinch to select and drag to manipulate holograms with precise hand raise. Air tap still works for quick selections, and grasp moves objects confidently. Use voice commands to open apps or issue system controls without hardware buttons. Calibrate eye tracking at setup and recalibrate after significant headset shift to keep gaze targeting accurate. Interact effectively at distances between 0, 5, and 3 meters for best tracking and reliable. Install enterprise apps like Remote Assist and Guides to enable annotations and workflows. Use spatial anchors for persistent holograms and share them across devices with Azure for multi-user sessions. Manage devices through Intune and apply security policies for enterprise compliance and controlled app deployment. Clean the visor with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl for safe disinfection after shared use. Avoid extended use without breaks and maintain a 20-minute rest each hour to reduce fatigue. Update device firmware regularly to improve tracking, security, and app compatibility. Store the headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.